Hi, Eric here, M7LDK. I am experiencing this high-pitch buzzing noise coming from the head unit of this YAESU FMT-150. The issue is the most noticeable with LCD dimmer at max, put that on max, and LCD color white. So let's have a listen. I'll switch between white and amber, and you can tell me if this is something that you're also experiencing. So the buzzing goes away as soon as we'll change LCD dimmer to mid or max or off. It's only on maximum dimness, and is also on amber and white, but is most pronounced on the white background color. So I'd like to know your input if you're experiencing the same, and let me know in the comments. Thank you.